Very good morning, calm mind. Hi, Abhishek. Welcome. Very good morning. I was slightly busy with some personal work and just completed and back home. I also have done my opening trade and booked about 23K. So just now I started the stream. This was pretty much expected. Like when it reached here, I took a PE position, very aggressive quantities, and then I booked it somewhere here. Collected about some 60 points. Uh, so that was a decent trade. My writing position is also doing well. So I'm trying to recover the loss from yesterday. But that's not the main objective. The main objective is to stay calm and not let the loss to come in the mind today, and play very very reasonable. That's my objective. So why did I go aggressive in that case? Doesn't look like that I'm being very aggressive in the trade. Absolutely not, because yesterday night I spent a couple of hours uh, drawing some more conclusions of what might happen, and then I found that when a market reaches 40,200, there will be a strong reversal. That's something I drew. In fact, if you have seen some of the lines I have drawn yesterday, you can see these blue lines. These blue lines here are some of the lines, and then there is a pink one here. You see that there is a pink line. These lines were not there before, if you remember. These are the lines that I have drawn after a careful analysis using Fibonacci. I will teach you this in the course when we are uh, going live on March 4th. This is one of the interesting concepts I will teach you, and this is perfectly, I know that's a very perfect reversal point. 40,200 is a perfect reversal point from my analysis. So I took that at that level when the market reached and collected. I could have also waited further, but then my stop loss got triggered. So no complaints. Let's check the comments. Hi, very good morning, Karthikeyan and Kempagoda, Vishwanath, and good to see you all. Very good morning. Today it's going to be pretty much predictable. Yesterday I was not very sure because it was playing at the zones. Now I am very sure what are the possible scenarios I am aware of, so we can take advantage of that, right? Bhaskar, very good morning. Feels good to be back in market. Also, the course has come out really, really well. I have completed almost like 50 percentage of the course design. Another 50 percentage is there. What I am thinking of is to add as many new information and latest information, because when I read Fibonacci, my understanding was different. When I started working with Fibonacci, it became more practical. Probably some things, theoretically they said this is the target, but realistically the targets could be different. Theoretically, it should not cross a particular point, but if in reality it crosses, so how do you interpret that, right? Um, so these are the things that I am trying to incorporate. Plus, there are a lot of creative elements I brought into the system, and created my own trade setups using Fibonacci. Those trade secrets also, that's a add-on, something that I am not committed, but I will still do that in the program. Very interesting ways to creatively use Fibonacci along with other things. There could be OI data, indicators. Maybe you have your own scalping setup, you have your own positional setup, swing trade setup, BTST. Many things could be there. But then, can any trade setup be like this? Is a scalping. What I did today was a scalping, right? Like I entered here and then I booked it here. Hardly the trade was about 3 minutes, right? So you can really make most of the knowledge through that. Yeah. Hi Arvind, Reina, very good morning. Welcome Ji. Hi Santosh Ji, very good morning. I'm quite thrilled about today's market. Reason is I was very much concerned if there is a bounce back because I have not done that analysis. Main problem was expecting a fall and market to reach this zone I was like hoping. Then when market actually reached, I didn't do my analysis. I was like, I know that it will go down. That much I was clear. But then it need not have to go down immediately, right? It can just bounce back, play here for some time, and then go down, right? That part I missed. So if it has to go up, till how high it can go, right? That's a study I have to do. For some reasons, maybe I was tired, exhausted, whatever it is. Um, or probably I was very very busy with many of the things that you are aware of. Apart from the trading, I am busy with course creation and so on, interacting with people, many things. So whatever be the case, I was not able to keep track of what possible scenarios might come. And yesterday I did an extensive study about it. So I am very very comfortable and clear. Maximum it can reach this blue line here, which is this. See, I gave the FASP levels and mapped it, and this study was done after that. And incidentally, this blue line is also coinciding with that. Beautiful. So 40,770 is the strongest reversal point. If market is going and reaching here, I will take aggressive positions on PE. That's very very clear. So this is the maximum that it can retrace to. If the market is bouncing back from here and it goes 40,780, 800 we can say. Okay. So that is about 800 points of bounce back can be expected. But can it go? The chances of it is only 10%. Maximum reversal should happen at T4 itself, which is 40,450 itself. You should find reversals. My God, I think had I kept that position, I would have added another 20k. I exited not 20k, 10k extra. Correct. No, now it is 20k with this fall. Yeah. Yes, Santoshji, many errands to run. Uh, Plus, right, newborn babies and then staying awake. Almost like last 1 month, I'm sleeping only 2 to 3 hours. So some sort of mental fatigue has come, and I was very becoming lazy. Anyway, these are some new experiences, right? Dealing with newborns and staying awake in the night and then doing a full time trading. It's all pretty hectic. So Bhaskar, there was a huge gap in the morning, which is not filled yet. It's right now filled. It's right now filled. You see that? Oh yes, Santoshi. Pretty much true. Very true. And our sleep charts are off, completely off. For me, my sleep time is 3 to 6 maximum, and my wife sleeps during the daytime and manages work. Many difficulties. Yeah. All right. In the month of October, October. Yes, Vishwanath ji, you are spot on. I am really loving that. Nothing like spending time with my daughter. That's the best part of my day. I really enjoy. Yeah, Arvind ji, that's what I'm planning to do. What I'm thinking of is to give some quick updates of the market, what will happen, and so on. And then I will be like online with the camera, everything on, but I will be continuing to, just relax a bit, and probably I will read some PDF books or something like that. Uh, because my study time has gone down. I am really upset about that. I feel handicapped. If I don't read, I feel weak. Honestly speaking, If I don't read for a long time, then I feel really, really weak. My confidence level goes down. Uh, Wanted to engage myself with some readings. So the gap here is filled. Something from October is mentioned. Let's go back and check what is that October gap. This gap. This gap you mean? 40,300 to 40,000. It's already filled, right? Like market is trading at 40k, which means these gaps are filled. What are the other gaps left? I think all the gaps here are filled. This gap was filled yesterday. Yesterday market was trading below this zone, right? So this gap is filled. This gap is filled. This gap is filled. All these gaps are filled. So there is nothing left. All the gaps are filled, guys. Let me just come back to 15 minutes chart. Yes, Bhaskar, that one is filled. I hope you got it. Second thing, book, music. Yes, not reading is like missing out. True, Arvindji. Right. Um, Reason is, I really did not have any mentor. Whatever I learned was on my own efforts, and I always have this fear that I will be outdated. Like if I miss out something, not reading or not updating myself, within 6 months I will be like a newbie again. I will not know what to do, how to handle positions, nothing. Market changes every month, it changes. So if you don't upgrade yourself, uh, things will just disappear. Oh, almost like a very large break has happened. I haven't touched any book for last 20-25 days now. Since I started streaming, my reading hours have come down drastically. That's why I feel a bit anxious. When I am in loss, also I am not so anxious. But I am not. When I don't read, I feel so anxious. Uh, so Santoshi says there is a gap in 5 minutes chat. 5 minutes chat. Let's check it out. Of today, Santoshi. Of today, 5 minutes chat. There is a gap. It's filled, right? See, yesterday close was here. It opened here. It went up, came, and then it is trading here. So it's filled, Ji. Santoshi, it's filled. Oh, on 22nd. Okay, 22nd is when. See, all the gaps are filled. I don't see anything on 22nd either. All are filled. Because market has gone down all this way, came up all this way. So when it is covered from this extreme to this extreme, then and there are candles at every level, right? So there is no gap. What you subscribe or read or guide us also. Yes, of course. Of course, I cannot be creating knowledge, right? I have to earn my knowledge. And what I earn only I can just share. So, obviously, when I read, I can make more sense to the viewers. Mm. No, I need to turn on my Nest. Good. Mm-hmm. Unfortunately, I cannot even listen to music because that will get into copyright issue with the stream. Maybe I should put some headset and then listen to music. Funny. Can we take fresh questions now, or we can wait for some green candle? Uh, Definitely, you should wait. Don't get into any trade right now. There is good opportunity. Let's re-enter at some time. Uh, I'll give you the levels. I'll give you the levels to re-enter. UT1 we can enter with small quantities. You every level higher enter equal proportion, like one lot, two lots here, like that. If you are planning to take four lots, one, two, or if you feel that it is very small, this one will be the maximum. I will miss out some opportunity, and take two here and two here. Skip the middle one. Getting it, no? Like if you want to really enter with two quantities here, and then average the next two quantities at UT3. I would really wait for opportunities, and um, I can prepare what. Yeah, that's the place I would recommend you to enter one. Maybe maybe little bit. I think you can also very well skip this if you want, and then enter one lot here, because I think it might even go a little higher before it comes down. Today is Friday, right? Okay, today, since it's Friday, wait a second, guys. Santoshji, just check your message on WhatsApp. Oh, great. So soon you're achieving your daily targets. That's fantastic, Santoshji. Awesome. All right. Many congratulations. So, Siddharth, very good morning. Hi, Velraj. Nice. Oh, chart is not updating, right? Yeah. Oh no, my market is just frozen. Hmm. So big opportunities. All right, back. Just some morning times are always busy with some or the other deliveries. People are coming and going out, so on. But yeah, what we see here is typical um, reactions around the zone. It wants to find some support and go back, but eventually what they will play out is to bears will try to get in to this levels like LT2, LT3 levels. They will try to get in. That's one good possibility. But before that, they may want to take it little higher and then drag it down. So wait for some green candles. If that happens, we can really get into the trade. Nicely we can take some good positions and capture some 100, points, 120 points. Not points, like the index moves. So this itself is like 150 points. Then this is about 250 points. So 150 to 250 points of fall we can expect sometime during the day. So all right, what we are going to do is, um, hi Sujata, hi Dhanashekar, very good morning. So if somebody is looking for some calls, I would say look for 40,000 P of next month expiry at a price between 540 to 545, right? So this is the first time I'm giving you a strike and an entry point. I don't usually do this, but today I will give you, okay, just to give you a sample of how things work, how some strategies really work, right? Uh, 40,000 PE, look for it at around 540 to 545 levels, okay? Place it in the system. Ah, thanks Vishwanathan ji. For call side also I can give, usually I can give for both the sides, but I will not give call side because if market suddenly falls, it's like missing out a tree for the forest. you know there's so much of potential on the downside, and for some small up moves we are missing the whole forest. I don't want to do that. I want to I know there is a 2000 points fall waiting. It can happen anytime, right? It can happen today, it can happen in 10 days. I don't know. But upside move, probably 300 points, 400 points it can go. For that, if I give a call and we initiate, suddenly it falls, then we go on averaging, we will lose our capital. That's the reason I am not giving call side. So strictly stay with put side. Okay? Put side alone you stay. Very recent, see, I also know how to play double side. In fact, I have done extensively all these games. Two sides I used to play, both the sides I used to make money. All these things are fine. But there are days, one single day, I know in the long term it is bearish, but then I have taken a CE position, it kept on falling, I kept on averaging, I wiped off my capital. This has happened. And why to learn the hard way, right? I have anyway done that mistake. So I'm giving you a live uh, feedback of my mistakes. You can avoid those mistakes when inherently the market is about to fall. Why should I go and take a call? Although when it went here, I could have taken a C position and booked it somewhere here also. Still, I would have been in some 10-15 rupees profit, right? 10 to 15 points. But that 10 to 15 points is pointless because when you enter right, you get 60 points in one go, right? So instead of why with so much pain capture 15 points and effortlessly you can capture 50 points, right? So that's the trade-off. Hi Kaushik, very good morning. Correct Siddharth. Absolutely, that's the reason I am asking not to enter both the sides. Usually Fridays are my favorite days. I play both sides and then multiply my profits. But it all depends on the market conditions. About 4 to 5 months I was doing that. Every Friday I used to play both the sides and make money. That was last October till December, not October, August, I think, August mid or something. From then till January, I was playing it. In December, January to some extent, yes. Till then, I was doing. When volatility started coming in, when market started moving some 1,000 points and all, then I stopped it because it's not worth it, and I know the directions of the market. Uh, there was a breakout waiting, and rightly it is happening, right? So now, if you enter into wrong trade, you will lose big time. Yes, Vishnu Priya, you're right. In fact, I am also going to place my quantities into the system. Just place a buy order. Currently, it is trading at 600 rupees, but I am going to place it at 540. Sorry, 545. About 200 quantities I am going to place. 200 quantities at 545. 545 placed in the system, and it's waiting. Order is pending. Let's see. Oh, thank you so much, Santosh ji. Uh, that's I really love to interact with everyone. Hi Jagdish, welcome. Very good morning. I it's not streaming for me will become boring. If we are interacting, we have to be really genuine, and I look forward to have a good friendship with people, and so if I don't even call the names, then how? See, the move is happening, right? Like the upside move is happening. Upside moves are happening. Currently, it is at 585. Another 40 points to go. $580 now. Stream is pixelated. Hi, good morning, Jatan. Can someone confirm if it is only for Whale Raj or it's for everyone that no, the stream is pixelated? Because you can go up to 1080. Yeah, it's fine, right? Correct. So, Whale Raj, you need to check your internet. Because my internet is fine. Maybe the video quality you can select to 720 pixel or 1080 pixel. Then it should look very clear. Oh, it's looking HD. That's good. Yeah, I have set the settings to HD. Okay, welcome, Velraj. Yeah. Mhm. Sharp up move has come. So, if you guys were remembering what I said yesterday, I said the market may retrace to 40,200, 300, and 400 levels Today look at where it got rejected, at 350, right? So this was the peak, it got rejected here. Currently 40,000 is at 574, 569, another 20 points now, 566. Vishwanath, no, my order is not triggered. I placed